the night is quiet, and I'm slow dancing with the past. Every corner of the city holds a memory built to last. I wasn't one to say it, all the love I meant to prove, but silence slowly teaches all the truths I couldn't move. If you're somewhere in the soft light, thinking of the way we were, know my heart is turning gentler, and it still finds its way to you. 'Cause even the shadows learn to love you every time your name comes through. They hold the shape of what I lost and paint it in a deeper hue. I may have stumbled in the daylight, but in the dark I finally knew. Even the shadows learn to love you. Your laughter lives and echoes down the streets we used to roam. Funny how the smallest moment can feel more like coming home. If I could turn the hours backward, I'd place my hands where they belong, on the heart I should have guarded, in the love I treated wrong. Maybe love grows clearer when the night falls soft and slow. Maybe losing what you needed teaches what you failed to show. If the moon would give me mercy, if the night would let me through, I'd walk the long way back to whisper I was always meant for you. 'Cause even the shadows learn to love you, like a truth I can't undo. They carry all the things I meant and everything I never knew. I wasn't ready in the sunlight, now every midnight pulls me to the quiet place your memory blooms, where even the shadows learn to